Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm working on an interesting problem. A friend of mine owns some apartment buildings, and he has a problem with one of the shower drains not draining. So he wanted to know if I'd go over and take a look at it. He's on vacation. I says, absolutely, as long as I can turn it into a YouTube video. So here I go off to see if I can straighten it out. And I've got this little tool that I use a lot. It's a little drain cleaning tool. So bear with me. We're going to go check this out. And hopefully you get in there and get out, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are on site. And what I'm going to do is, it looks like they may have tried to plunge this at one time, but I'm going to remove this little cap here, maybe. There we go, set that off to the side. And I can already see a bunch of hair down in there. And I'm going to take that tool I was talking about, and I'll talk about this later on. And all you want to do is you want to stick that down in there, like this. Just by doing that, I can already hear the water trying to go down in. Very easily, start pulling it out. Hope you don't have a weak stomach. And I have a paper towel here handy, so I can just kind of wrap this all up in a paper towel and throw it away. Try not to splatter it around. Let's do some more. It's going down. It's amazing what a little device like this will do. Going down now. I'm going to do a little bit more, and then I'm going to run some hot water down in there. I think I got it. Just a little bit left in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run a little bit of hot water down in there. Let's see if I can feel this a bit down. I think I got it. One more time here. Yep, looks good. So I think what I'll do now is I'm going to put this back on, and I'm going to put a little water in the tub just to kind of flush it a little bit. Put a little water in there, so now I'm going to open it up. And now, yeah, there it goes. They're all set. There we go. And that is how you unclog a drain using the little tool from Lowe's. Well, that wasn't too bad, as you saw in the video. I kind of wanted to get in there and get out. Luckily, I brought some plastic bags to put my tripod in to set in the tub. You want to make sure that you have gloves and stuff like that when you're doing this. So, as you can see, there wasn't a whole lot to it. The little tool did really well. And so I'm going to go home, put this all together, and hopefully it comes out all right. So, thanks an awful lot for watching.